So are you ready to go jet skis?
Oh yeah.
Take your shirt off and let's do it.
Do we need life jackets?
No,
Ready? Wow, this is fun.
I know. Just squeeze the handle, and then you're free to go.
This is my first time using a jet ski.
Good thing. Okay, here we are. We have arrived at the destination.
Nice.
One thing. Fuck you, Alex.
What the hell?
Where am I? I think I'm underwater. Hello, fishies. Oh, I think I see Nemo. Hey, fishies, watch me. Oh shit, I think I'm going to drown. Fuck you, Dad.
Alex, it's me, Uncle Lester. Listen! I'm going to get you out of the water. Alex, wake up. Wake up. Alex. Are you there? Listen to me. Speak.
What? Hey, Uncle Lester.
Thank God you're alive. Your dad did this. He pushed you in the water and ditched you.
Yeah, what he did to me, that was crazy.
I forgot, Alex. You're paying for it.
For what?
By getting pushed into the water 987,999.
To be continued. Next episode he's going to throw me off of the Miami hotel rooftop. This episode was called Jet Ski Ditching.